This is a topic which is not mentioned. It is not mentioned in your prelims examination. So this is a topic primarily for your mains examination. In terms of number of marks that is allocated, that is internal security is basically a part of your general studies paper 3. It is a part of your general studies paper 3. That means the paper where you have topics like environment, economics, etc. There you also have a topic called as internal security. Okay. Yes, very good morning everyone. So we are going to start with a new topic today. Okay. So let's get into it. Okay, let's get into this discussion. Let's try and understand, though this first class that we are going to take up, it would just be an introductory class, but we are going to talk about a lot of, we'll be talking about a lot of very, very important, very, very important concepts. Okay. See, in your GS paper 3, there is a topic called as security or internal security as we call it. This is a topic which is not mentioned. It is not mentioned in your prelims examination. So this is a topic primarily for your mains examination. It is primarily for your mains examination. It is absolutely not the content does not come in your prelims examination. Okay. So the first thing that you need to know is that it is for your mains examination. Secondly, there are approximately 4 to 5 questions. 4 to 5 questions that you can expect from your internal security topic. Okay? There are 4 to 5 questions that you can expect from your internal security topic. Now, in terms of number of marks that is allocated, that is approximately 40 to 50 marks. Approximately 40 to 50 marks, where it is likely that you get approximately 2 questions in your 10 markers and 2 questions you can get in your 15 markers. Okay, so 2 questions out of this you can expect 2 questions, at least 2 questions here, 2 questions as 10 markers and 2 questions again as 15 markers. Two questions here as 10 markers and 2 questions here as 15 markers. This is basically what you have to expect here. Yes, it can vary also. Sometimes it may so happen that you get 3 questions in 10 markers and only 1 questions in a 15 marker. That can basically happen. It can happen. Okay, but primarily this is the pattern that is followed, and this is accordingly how we are also going to look at it. Whenever we are talking about any aspect of UPSC syllabus, there are generally 2 components to it. One is the background theoretical ideas, okay, and then comes the dynamic current ideas. one is the dynamic current ideas. Now for this dynamic current ideas, there are two things that you are going to refer to. First would obviously be your class notes, because I will include the current you can say the current ideas there. ठीक है, मैं include कर दूंगा जो भी current चीजें होंगी, I will be including them. Okay, and then comes the newspapers. When now some of you are talking about books, any book that you are going to refer to, there are number of books that are there, you can read any one of them. Those books would primarily cater to this idea. Any book that you read which is present in the market, ठीक है, any book that you read which is present in the market, ये चीज ध्यान रखना कि it will cover this part, no, this aspect of your preparation. This dynamic current aspects जिसमें generally UPSC से जो questions पूछे जाते हैं, this is basically the areas where UPSC questions are likely to come from. ठीक है, UPSC questions are likely to come from this particular topic. Okay, and the topics that are to be covered here will be covered primarily from two sources. ये चीज ध्यान रखना, it would be covered primarily from two sources. One would be the class notes, ठीक है, one would be the class notes that would be there, and then you can also refer a newspaper, any good national daily newspaper, whether it is Indian Express, The Hindu, it is your choice. ठीक है, it is your choice, and it would be sufficient. अगर प्रिपरेशन दिमाग खोल के करोगे, ठीक है, अगर प्रिपरेशन दिमाग खोल के करोगे and you will follow whatever is required, in that case it will definitely be enough. It will definitely be enough, because of this. Again, remember one thing, any one good book which is present in the market, any reputed publisher, you can go through it. Content, in most of the books of internal security, content is almost the same. ठीक है, content is almost the same. So you can, if you are reading, if you are in that habit of reading books, अगर आपको book पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है, in that case what you can do is go through any one book on internal security. ठीक है, उसमें कुछ basic ideas cover हो जाते हैं. Okay.